Searching for a 2004 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. A manual transmission keeps you tuned into your car. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors, power windows, a CD stacker. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.